Click on Dashboard to go to the Rainbow Boost campaign page. Import one address where you have participated in any Kusama Crowdloan. Here I have imported one and I can claim 2000 Raindrop points for free. Before claiming, you can paste a friend's address here, which will earn you an additional 1000 Raindrops. Once you have claimed your points, you will automatically be shared into the 5 rounds of airdrops below. Raindrop reward calculation equals personal points / total points * raindrop reward per round. The current airdrop time shown is a snapshot of the participating addresses and the rewards will be issued by September 10th. Of course, if you want to earn more raindrops to split the rewards, then there are 2 ways to earn raindrops points. The first is to fill in your friend's address and invite other friends. Click on Invite Earn Raindrop in the top right corner. Copy your invitation link and send it to your social medias. Once a friend has successfully claimed 2000 points, you will see below the number of addresses successfully invited, and the reward earned for the invitation. Another way to earn points is by minting a KSM. For every KSM minted you will earn 1000 raindrops. If you stake BNC, or participate in Crowdloan contributions, you will receive different levels of vKSM minting bonuses and earn more raindrops. Here we can mint a KSM as an example. Signing to confirm a transaction. Once we have earned our vKSM, we can go to the farming module and invest the vKSM we just minted to continue earning BNCs. This is the complete Rainbow Boost participation tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to click on the icon link in the bottom left corner to access the community and ask. Have a great participating experience.